Hello, and welcome to our installation guide for the shower wall using laminate ProClick panels. ProClick technology is a mechanical locking T&G system that provides seamless, almost invisible joints. Using the relevant profiles, along with the patented Showerwall on the bottom, which stops silicone breakdown, discoloration and mold, provides a 100% waterproof paneling system. In this video, we will guide you through the quick and easy same-day installation of Showerwall. Ensure that your panels are stored flat prior to fitting. For this fitting guide, we are demonstrating ProClick panels over a bath. Typically, for this type of installation, you will need a 1200mm and 600mm ProClick panel to complete the length of the bath. Other panel lengths depend on your installation area. And here are the tools you'll need. Okay, let's get started. First up, make sure your walls are flat, and if fixing to tiles, ensure the walls are sound, plumb, and degreased. Next, check the levels on your bath and walls. Then measure the width and length of the bath for our Showerwall strips. Now we're ready to fit panel 1. Measure the height required, then cut the panel to fit. Cut with the decor side up to avoid chipping. Cut using either a handsaw, jigsaw, or circular saw. Fix the internal corner to the wall using Showerwall adhesive. Ensure this is level. Measure the width of the wall, allowing 15mm for the corner trim. Cut the width accordingly. Then fit the end cap to the panel using sealant. Now apply sealant to the Showerwall strip and corner trim and apply 6mm beads of adhesive to the walls in snake-like lines. To fix panel 1, ensure the bottom edge is sitting on the sealant and then locate the panel into the corner trim. Now, onto panel 2. Cut the panel removing the tongue edge to fit into the trim. Then cut and repeat the sealant and adhesive instructions from panel 1. You can use suction cups here if required. Ensure the panel is slid neatly into the corner trim and then fixed to the wall. For panel 3, measure from the panel edge of panel 2 to the wall, remembering to remove the 15mm for the corner trim. When cutting panel 3, ensure the measurement is taken from the panel edge and not the tongue profile. Affix the corner trim to the cut panel edge using sealant. Apply a small bead of sealant to the shoulder of the tongue edge. Then locate the tongue edge into the groove edge of panel 2 at a shallow angle to the wall. Rotate the panel towards the wall, making sure the tongue is sitting correctly in the groove, and then fix to the wall. Remove any excess sealant. The corner trim is now in place and ready for the next steps. Onto panel 4 now. Attach the end cap using sealant. Apply sealant and adhesive to the wall and seal as before, and then locate panel 4 neatly into the corner trim before fixing to the wall. Finally, you will need to seal the expansion gap at the sealing edge to ensure it is watertight. Once complete, you will have a hard-wearing, 100% waterproof system with a 30-year guarantee. To find out more about this product, visit showerwall.co.uk.